Listen, they not all going down at the same time doing the fuck I'm doing. Hey, mine. Hey man, what is going on, man? It's your boy Yoda, boy. Might teach y'all how to do the mixing. No fluff, you know what I mean? I know the YouTube be trying to get y'all the Grant Cardone, you know what I mean? Get y'all the bio lead templates. I got y'all though for the free ski, you know what I mean? I'm gonna show y'all how to get your song going from this. What it is, nigga, what it is though. To like this, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I don't play myself. Forgot the eye lock. Imagine that. Let me get the eye any beach. Let me plug the eye any beach. What it is, nigga, what it is though. What it is, nigga, what it is though. I get rigs, put it. Alright, check this out. Focus, man. Trying to get y'all the sauce. Alright. So I get my auto tune on a 10. Everybody use auto tune. Don't act like you don't use auto tune. But I don't be putting that robot on me though. Don't do that on me. You could do that. I'm gonna show you, but you can choose what you want to do, right? I get mine on 10. You know what I mean? The retune speed on 10. My human eyes, it normally starts right here. I'm at 100, bro. I'm trying to sound almost natural. You know what I'm saying? I still want you to like, yo, that him. You know what I mean? We don't need that robot in here. Let T-Pain be T-Pain, cuz. We go to the EQ. Oh, I like boosting that 3dB at 5K. But the reason why I like this version of the SSL, cause the listen button, this right here. See them flashing? That listen button right there, right? That listen button, you could do there. It lets you know what you actually working on. You know what I mean? Just like this right here. Tell them. Yeah, it let you know what you're doing. So that part right there, it mostly from like 2.5K, right? They be having that little sharp nasally sound. I reduced that by like 3 dB, you know, a little work, not too much. And then this muddy, boxy sound right here. It normally like 240, 500, you know. Right there. That listen button is crucial, my boy. See, y'all be getting them bare ass EQs, bro. You don't even know what you're doing yet. I'm trying to give you sauce. You know what I'm saying? I ain't give you sauce, my boy. But yeah, real talk. Check this out. From there, I just do a little low shelf at 300 right here. You don't want that, bro. Let's be honest. You don't want that, though. You don't want that. And from there, I do this thing right here. I'm gonna move this John to 3 though. Hold on. To 3. I swear all these John were on 3 though. I'm like John on 3. So this right here, it's just my preference. You know what I mean? Just like we get the main board going, and then now these just surgery. You know what I'm saying? Surgical. You know, we needling the dots. You know what I'm saying? But that cool right here. I got dynamic EQs. None of these is like, let me show you, man. Hold on. None of these John doing this right here. We not cutting nobody. Don't worry about none of that. We not cutting nobody. But what this doing is if the vocals go past like, they sound a little muddy at this part right here, they gonna duck it. They gonna duck it. I'm gonna show y'all. They gonna duck it. Tell them pussy check the scope, I ain't talking FICO. Tell them pussy line them up, I hit them all like ISO. Oh, see them boy, they dancing. They not all going down the same time doing the fuck I'm doing. Hey, they not all going down at the same time. Like, it's like AI type, you know what I mean? Like, they listen, they're like, all right, duck here, do that. Come on, man, easy work. You copy that if you want. Hold on, let me get it. Let me get it right for you. And mind you, 3 dBs. I don't know. I like that 3, but that 3 work. I'm telling you, don't. Man, what a man, bro. That 3 work. I'm just letting you know that 3. Damn, I can spit on that ball. Hey, that 3 be working, man. I'm gonna let you know. All right. Auto tune, EQ. Now we go to de-essing. I don't really like touching the de-esser too much. You know what I mean? Just like a little touch, not too much. I use two of them, John. One work harder. You know what I mean? Why lift harder when you can have two man lifting? You know what I mean? They just right here.
Tell them pussy check the scope, I ain't talking FICO. Tell them pussy line them up, I hit them all like ISO. All these packs they be insured, might have thought it's Geico. But it should be general, only which got blindfold.
Ooh, that's a little cool spot I'm gonna show y'all right quick. I'm gonna start scratching my eye, but my eye tired. My eye tired for sure. Alright. Listen, man, they're my favorite compressor. We don't need none of these. What 70 something? 70 something. Man, my boy, we don't need none of these. Trying to figure out my levels, and now I gotta recompensate, bro. Man, bro, attack. I gotta find my release spot, man. Cut all that out, bro. You knew, ski to the game. You don't need to be spending time trying to, man, record, say it, bounce it, send it out. You know what I mean? We don't need to, man, cut this EQ. Man, the compressor, man, bro. This right here, this mine. It's my favorite compressor. You know what I mean? Easy. I'm trying to get 3 to 5 dB on a compression. You know what I'm saying? Let go. Right here. I set my threshold in the middle, bro. You know what I mean? This right here, you want it like at 3. Right here, it's too fast. It'd be like doing a little, I don't know what the fuck that is either, but like 3 cool, man. It might be like, you know, figuring it out, doing a little dance, a little snake dance, you know what I mean? But trying to get 3 to 5 dBs on a compression. Not too much, my boy. Go ask Mike Dean.
Tell them pussy check the scope, I ain't talking FICO. Tell them pussy line them up, I hit them all like ISO. All these packs they be insured, might have thought it's Geico. But it should be general, only which got blindfold.
And if you would have heard it before the compressor, you would have seen that part right here and went lower. Like, I know the whole volume like a little louder, but checks out.
Hit them all like ISO. All these packs they be insured, might have thought it's Geico. But it should be general, only which got blind.
See, I got way lower compression. Lift your mans up. I don't know what, but after that, I put a limiter on that joint because I don't want my vocals to be like jumping out of pocket, even though I got a compressor working. You know what I mean? I want to keep it like cap. I got my beat at -12, right? I don't want my vocal to be jumping too high. You know, you get the point. But that's it though. This it. Check this out. You see right here?
Hit them all like ISO. All these packs they be insured.
It's too loud. It's too loud. You know what I mean? But then you activate the thing.
Hit them all like ISO. All these packs they be insured, might have thought it's Geico. But it should be general, only which got blindfold. Feed a nigga iron, might have call him mineral. All these niggas caps, I don't wanna meet them, they sound terrible. Cut off for that bitch right on sight, said I'm a fan on you. Most of these hoes be nagging, I said, baby, I don't need stress. Thought you had a bitch, hold up, baby, you just mistress. Only question make a nigga tired, I might need rest. She been tryna top me up, I told her let her knee rest. What it is,
Hey man, that's it though. Sauce. I just gave y'all sauce, man. Next time you want to learn about the reverb and the delays and stuff like that, just let me know. I'll make a video. I don't really, you know what I mean? I got the sauce for y'all. I got the sauce.